So you may also have photos stored in your Google Drive account right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to go to drive.google.com right here, then you'll be able to see that I got some videos and photos right here. If you want to go ahead and upload that into Google Photos, then all you need to do is click on the plus button right here, and here you can see that Google Drive is an option. Simply go ahead and click right here, and once you do that, what happens is that it'll access out all of the photos and videos that you have stored in your Google Drive. So now what you can simply do is go ahead and click out the pictures or videos that you want to import right here, and then click on upload. And now what happens is that it uploads out all of the photos and videos that you selected right here, and it gets synced out, as you can see right here. So now you can see that this was from my Google Drive right here. So it's simply uploaded right here and becomes a part of Google Photos now. So that is how you can actually go ahead and upload out photos stored in your Google Drive inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.